If you're wondering how to use Oyster for global employee taxation, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from getting started with Oyster to managing employee tax details worldwide, all in just a few minutes. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll show you how you can use this powerful tool completely for free with an exclusive bonus. So let's dive in. Oyster is a global employment platform that simplifies the complexities of managing a remote team across borders. Whether you have employees in one country or many, Oyster helps you stay compliant with local tax laws, benefits, and payroll regulations. It's particularly useful if you're scaling your business internationally or just navigating the increasingly complex world of global employee taxation. First, let's start with setting up your team. You can onboard your employees onto the Oyster platform quickly. Oyster handles everything from payroll to tax filings, so you don't need to worry about local tax requirements in every country where your employees work. By collecting the right documentation from your employees and inputting their tax residency status, Oyster automatically ensures that taxes are calculated correctly based on their location. Next, Oyster allows you to track local taxes for every employee. Whether your team is working in the UK, the US, or anywhere else in the world, Oyster's platform keeps track of the ever-changing tax laws in each country. It integrates with local tax systems, providing you with real-time updates so you're always compliant. You won't have to manually update tax settings or spend time learning complicated tax codes for each country your team operates in. One of the most powerful features of Oyster is its ability to handle payroll taxes automatically. When you pay employees, Oyster calculates and withholds the proper tax amounts based on local laws. You can rest easy knowing that the platform is handling all the paperwork and deadlines, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Oyster also makes benefits management simple. When you hire employees in different countries, each country has its own set of required benefits like healthcare, pensions, or paid time off. Oyster tracks these benefits for you, ensuring that you're providing employees with what's required by local law. You'll also have the option to offer additional benefits to attract top talent from across the globe, making it easy to offer competitive perks in different regions. The best part about Oyster is its global flexibility. You're not just limited to a handful of countries. The platform operates in over 180 countries, making it ideal for companies with a truly international workforce. And the automation Oyster provides means you can scale your team without constantly worrying about local tax issues. If you're just starting out with global remote work or expanding into new countries, Oyster's tax reporting feature is a game changer. It helps you prepare tax filings by organizing and categorizing tax data from all your employees. This feature saves you time when you're preparing year-end filings, ensuring everything is in order and compliant with local tax authorities. Now, if you're ready to try Oyster, here's the exciting part. You can use the software for completely free through the exclusive link below. That's right. If you're new to Oyster, you can explore its full range of features with a special extended free trial. This gives you the perfect opportunity to see firsthand how much easier managing global employee taxation can be. So, if you want to streamline your global employee taxation process and make compliance a breeze, click the link below for your free trial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our exclusive bonus offer while it lasts.